Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquine, myself Arnab Kundu. This is another video on Arduino with Tinkercad Web Application. And today's topic is that 16x2 LCD interfacing with Arduino using Tinkercad. So go to the computer screen through Tinkercad Web Application. I will discuss the circuit and the sketch of 16x2 LCD with Arduino using Tinkercad Web Application. So let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss interfacing 16x2 LCD using Arduino in Tinkercad Web Application. Okay, so a 16x2 LCD, the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display, with an Arduino UNO is one of the most common ways to display text and numbers, right? This LCD has 16 columns and 2 rows, which allows it to display 32 characters at once, right? The library that allows us to control the LCD display is called LiquidCrystal Library, and the library is declared as #include within angle bracket right liquidcrystal.h. So this header file is needed to write the sketch interfacing 16x2 LCD with Arduino in Tinkercad, right? And the pin configuration of 16x2 LCD is given like that. Is the 16 pins are there for 16x2 LCD is concerned. First pin connect with ground, which is known as VSS. Second pin VDD, which is a power for 5 volt from the Arduino UNO. Third one V0 is a contrast adjustment, right? Next one RS, register select pin within the 16x2 LCD. Next one is RW, read write mode selection. Next E for enable, and next 7 to 14, this total 8 pins for data lines, which actually known as D0 to D7. The digital pins are connected from the Arduino UNO board, right? And next one is A for anode, which is a LED plus, the backlight anode, and another is a K, which is a cathode, which is a LED negative, means the ground is connected with that, right? So this is the 16x2 LCD image, and these are the pins, so whatever I have already discussed, right? Now the wiring a 16x2 LCD with Arduino UNO, so this is the given, already we discussed. Now how to connect with the Arduino. So VSS, this is the VSS, connect with ground, just connect with ground. Second one VDD is a power supply, is a 5 volt. V0, which is contrast adjustment, means we are using a potentiometer where the middle pin connect with that particular pin, and it should be a 10k ohm potentiometer, right? The fourth pin is RS, register select. In my sketch, I connect this pin with the digital pin 12. Okay. Next is RW, connect with ground. Next one enable, connect with digital pin 11 in my sketch. And next 4 pins D0, D1, D2, D3 are not connect. We just left these pins. And after that, from D4 to D7 respectively, D5, D4, D3, D2 means digital pin 5, 4, 3, 2 respectively connect, right? And next anode directly connect with 5 volt with 220 ohm resistance, right? And the last pin, which is a 16 pin, connect with the ground, which is a cathode, right? So in that way the LCD should be displayed like that. Here we print hello world in that way. So go to the computer screen through Tinkercad Web Application. I will discuss today's circuit and the sketch of 16x2 interfacing LCD with Arduino in Tinkercad, right? So friends, I have already logged in with my Tinkercad account. Okay, so at first click on create and just select circuits. Okay, from there at first we select a breadboard, and then we select our Arduino UNO board. Okay, and now we just type here LCD. So this is a 16x2 LCD. Just select this particular LCD is concerned, and also we take a potentiometer from there and just place on this particular breadboard. Okay. Now at first we already know the circuit is concerned, so first this pin ground, at first we take the ground from there and just select this ground, this particular area, because lots of ground is needed, so that's why we connect with this breadboard. This section, this minus, is a ground part. Now we take another color from there, the red, which is a 5 volt. Same way connect with the plus this section, because we know this breadboard, this particular section are connected in row wise, right? So this is a ground and this is a 5 volt already. So first this section is connected to the ground, so we take a black wire and just connect from there to the ground. Okay. The next one is a power, means it does go to the 5 volt. So same way we choose this red, this particular wire, and just connect with this particular VCC. Next one is V0, so it will connect with the middle pin of this potentiometer. So suppose we take the different color, suppose green color we choose, and this is the middle pin, just connect with this V0. Next one is RS, which is in my sketch it connect with the 12, this digital pin. So we take a different color, suppose orange color we take. So this is the 12, we just select this 12 from there and just connect with this RS, this particular pin. Okay. Next one is RW, the 5th pin, which is RW, and this will connect with the ground again. So we choose a black wire and just connect with this ground, this part. Next one is enable. So enable is again we connect with our sketch is concerned with the digital pin 11. So choose again this orange, and this is the 11. Same way we connect with this, the enable pin of this LCD. Okay. And after that we already told the 4 pins we left don't need to connect. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins we are left, don't connect anything. After that we connect with our digital pin. So first we'll connect with D5. At first we connect with the D5 digital pin. Okay. Next one is just connect with D4. Same way, just connect with the next one for the D4. Next one connect with the D3. And next one, another digital pin is there, which is D2, and connect with this particular pin. So 4 pins are left, and after 4 pins are connect with the digital pin respectively 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Next part is anode, so it's connect with the 5 volt with 220 ohm. Okay. So in that case we choose a different color from there and we just connect with here, and now we take from there a resistance, just write here resistor. So we choose a resistor from there and it should be 220 ohm, and this red wire again we connect with this section, and from there this will be directly connect with this particular LED anode. So 5 volt is connect with 220 ohm resistance, right? So last one is connect with the ground, so choose black wire and just connect with this ground, this section. Okay. So we already complete our circuit. Now for the potentiometer is concerned, one leg connect with ground. So suppose this section is connect with the ground, this pin. So now the another pin connect with the 5 volt. So choose red color, and this section is connect with the 5 volt. So one pin connect with 5 volt and one pin connect with the ground, and middle pin connect with this V0. Okay. So we complete our circuit. Now we write the sketch. So go to code and select from there text, click continue, remove whatever given into there. So at first we need the header file LiquidCrystal.h. So it's at first write hash include within angle bracket liquid crystal, L and C is capital, then .h is the header file. Then we take some constant, means the digital pin is concerned and enable and RS is concerned. So we take here const int, at first write RS equal 12, then write enable is 11, which are already connected in my circuit. Then D4 is the 5, D5 is your 4, D6 is your 3, and D7 is your 2. The simple these constants we needed in my sketch is concerned. Now we define the object of the LiquidCrystal class. So just write LiquidCrystal, and suppose we write the object name LCD and send the argument means rs en enable, then D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, so simple. We are instantiate the class means we create the object. Now we write the void setup this function, and at first we write here lcd.begin. We already know when we print something in my serial monitor we write serial.begin, so we display within the LCD, so that's why we need lcd.begin. Okay, and here suppose we write here the dimension. So our LCD is concerned 16 cross 2, so just write 16 comma 2. 16 is the column and 2 is the row. Okay, and at first the LCD means first row it will print technical Arduino. Okay, so just write like that, LCD dot, just write print, and just write within double quote technical space Arduino, these two words. Okay, and then we close our void setup, and then we write our void loop which continuously going on for execution is concerned. At first we set our cursor, because at first the cursor in the first row, now we just put the cursor in the second row. So just write lcd dot set cursor, and the value should be like that 0 comma 1, that means the first column and the second row, so 0 comma 1. Okay, that means the second row, the rest of the thing will be displayed. Okay, and here we just display some second, and here I am using a built-in function millis, which actually return the number of millisecond, and we divide with 1000 we get in second. Okay, so just write here lcd.print and use the inbuilt function millis and just divide by 1000 means we get in second. Okay, and then we just complete our sketch. So just close our loop. Okay, and we put our sketch is concerned and the circuit is concerned, just put a name 16 cross 2 LCD. Okay, and now we just start simulation. Okay, the crystal spelling is wrong, TAL only, not TRAL. Okay, so we can start simulation. Okay, so just see it will printing at first technical Arduino, and second line the increase the second one after another. And if we just change the potentiometer contrast, so we don't get anything, so we need this adjustment. So I have already set my adjustment in such a way that it can display the first line technical Arduino and second line the second, just going on and on. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to interface 16 cross 2 LCD with Arduino in Tinkercad Web Application. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem, or any problem in sketch or any problem in circuit. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arduino for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.